Hey everyone, this is Eagle here, owner of Eagle House Fitness, and today I'm actually looking for some beta testers. I'm going to be running a 6-week rapid fat loss program that starts in November at a significant discount. Now, you guys may or may not know, my online one-on-one business has been exploding with maximum results for my clients, but what I'd like to do is distribute this type of service to anyone in the world via my online platform. Only requirement I ask is that, you work out at least 3 times a week. You follow an easy nutrition guide, that you send testimonials and before and after pictures as well. I wouldn't be holding your hand, but I'd be holding you accountable and giving you the framework that needs to be assessed in order for you to achieve maximum results, okay? Now, this is something that needs to be known. Okay, my reputation is on the line, so I have to be very picky about who I pick to let in my program. So if you think that you may be a good fit, there's a link that you can click above and fill out the application. Okay, I'm only taking 10 to 20 people, so I suggest you, check that out and see, fill the application out and see if I'd be a good fit for you to help you achieve your results, okay? This is Eagle of EagleHouseFitness.com.